What's going on, guys? I just picked up some more silver. This time I got it from APMEX. So I love the way APMEX does their packaging. It's really secure and very professional looking. And so let's go ahead and open up this box. You can see it's pretty tough to get into their boxes. I mean, look at that. Look, even this is glued down to the box. Very professional the way they do their packaging. Can also kind of be a pain in the butt sometimes. So there we go, that's what I ordered. It's a, take it out of the packaging here, it's the 2018 America the Beautiful Block Island 5-ounce coin. This is the Bullion coin. See right there, it says it. I love these 5-ounce Bullion coins. I think they're going to be great investments. Every single one of these that I've bought has gone up in price, and the best thing you can do is buy them right when they come out, and then I just wait a couple of years, and there's not that much supply. I mean, usually there's only they usually only do like 30 or 40,000 of these. I can tell you for this one, let me look it up real quick and tell you. So for this 2018, this is the Block Island National Wild Refuge. For this particular one, they did 80,000. That's pretty high, but they've actually done higher. They've been up to 105,000 that they produced of the Shawnee National Forest, and that was in 2015. And then in 2011, all of those had over 100,000 mintage. But like I said, generally they're somewhere between 30 and 50,000 on the mintage. But let's take this out of the packaging. And again, APMEX just does an awesome job with their packaging. There we go. Beautiful coins. Wow, check out how high the relief is on that. I'm not even sure what kind of bird it is. I guess a seagull. But look at how high. I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but the relief is like super high. Man, I love that. This coin is beautiful. This is. I've got most all of these, and I gotta say this. I wasn't expecting this one to be as nice as it is, but the artwork on this one is beautiful. And I'm kind of shocked at the relief on it, how high the relief is. I don't think I've really seen that on any of the other coins, or at least I haven't noticed. Like maybe it's because there's not a whole lot going on in the field, you know, behind the bird. It's really focused on the seagull, and then the field behind it's very flat. So maybe that's what's accentuating the relief on it. But beautiful coin. And of course, they all say on the side here, let's see if I can get the camera to focus. They all say on the side 0.99 fine silver, 5 ounces. You know, I think it's great that APMEX ships them out in these airtights too, because I've had some problems with these coins already starting to tarnish and tone. I'll have to make sure that this airtight's really airtight. Beautiful coin. All right, guys. Well, I hope you appreciate the video. Keep stacking your silver. Thanks for looking.